everyone, welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, so if you're new here, you are highly welcome. So in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how I get rid of my dark spots. Okay, in this particular one I have just a little light makeup on, but you are gonna be seeing my skin in the video without makeup, no makeup at all, and you're gonna be seeing how clear it is, like literally very clear. Okay, so I kind of fade off all of my dark spots using this home remedy and other ones. This is actually not the only one I use. Okay, there are other ones that I use also, which I've actually made a video about them. Okay, so this is one of them, and it has actually been clearing up my dark spot really well. So I would recommend you try it, and you are going to be loving it, guys. Okay, it is very simple and it is friendly for any skin type. Okay, so if you want to know what all of the ingredients is, please do continue watching, and don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share the video. Oh my god. All right, let me take you right into this video. All right guys, so I'm actually going to be showing you how I clear all of my dark spots and how it's really helped me so well. So we're gonna be needing to use potato, and potato is a great remedy that helps so much to clear pigmentations and it clear dark spots. It works wonders in removing the pigmentations on your face. This actually helps so much in making the skin really smooth. So what we're going to do now, we're going to be peeling this all out. I would have to be creating it. Now you can actually blend it, guys. Okay, but I'm going to be creating this. And I love to do it in a circular motion so that it can at least make it look smooth or feel smooth. Yeah, so this is enough. So I'll grab a strainer and then I'll strain out the juice. And this is it, so we don't need too much of it. So we're also going to be needing to use this tomato, so watch out till the end. Yeah, so that I'll show you how we're going to be using the sliced tomato. I'm sorry, potato, not tomato. Now the next ingredient I'm going to be needing is sugar. Now sugar is a great remedy for the skin because it helps to scrub out the skin blemishes. It helps to maintain an even clear complexion, and it also helps to reduce the size of open pores which make your skin look oily and rough. So it helps to remove dark spots as well. So I'm actually going to be turning all of the sugar into this potato juice and give it a stir. So you're going to be needing the starch and also the juice. Now the more you stir, the more it becomes thick because of the mixture of the potato starch plus the juice and the sugar. So it actually makes it thick. So we're also going to be needing to use honey, and you have to use organic honey for this remedy, because if you don't use organic honey, it's actually not going to help you to remove your dark spot. Yeah, and this honey, it helps to moisturize the skin, making the skin look really smooth, and it also helps to keep the skin moisturized. Yeah, and removing all of the dark spots. So I basically use honey in most of my dark spots removal treatments that I use on my skin. Yeah, so now I'll have to put it in and then stir it and stir and stir and stir, and it's getting thick. And now we're also going to be needing to use vitamin C. Okay, so you can actually get white vitamin C, which is this, or you can get the pink vitamin C, which is equally okay. Now vitamin C helps also for the skin. Yeah, if you've actually used you've actually been taking vitamin C, you know how important this is on the skin. So when you apply it directly on the skin, it also helps. Now with the help of all of these natural ingredients, it helps also to remove dark spots. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be crushing this with this my little bowl, and I would have to make sure it's crushed and it gets really smooth. So after crushing that, then I would have to be turning that into the bowl. And then mix all of the ingredients together. And this is superb. Okay, now the last ingredient is going to be tomato. Now tomato helps so much to remove dark spots. It works wonders in rejuvenating the skin and making the skin look really plump. So it contains a lightening property which helps to fade up dark spots little by little by little by little. Okay, so what we're going to do is that I'm going to be cutting this tomato into two, and I'm going to be keeping this aside, and I'm going to be creating this. Okay, or you can actually blend yours. Okay, okay, so after creating it, then I would have to even it out. So I'll press it so that the juice can actually come out, because in this I actually do not need the particles, but of course even if you want to use the particles, it's still very okay, but the sugar particles in it will do the job. So that's why I actually do not need particles in this one. Now after that's done, then we're going to be turning the tomato juice into all of these great ingredients, and here we have it. Okay, we'll turn it all in and then stir it. And then I have this too, the potato and the tomato, and now let me go and apply it and show you how I actually used to do it. So guys, this is one of the ways that I use to clear up all of my dark spots. You can see my skin, yeah, you can see here compared to, you know, you've seen me like when I was pregnant or before I was pregnant, I used to have some dark spots, and it's been clearing up really good. You can see my forehead and the side and all of the side really clearing. I'm going to try as much as possible to put some pictures, and also I'm going to be using some of my pictures on the thumbnail so that you see it is real. Yeah, that's how my face was, really bad when I was pregnant. Yeah, now that I put to bed, so I try to remove all of those dark spots, and this is one method that I use every morning. I just mix up something and I just use it, because I know which ingredient is going to help me to remove all the dark spots. So I made this, which you've seen, and I put it inside the refrigerator. This is how it looks like. And now I would have to be taking out the potato, taking out the tomato, and then give this mix a really good stir, because it was inside the refrigerator. So this is how it is, really thick. Yeah, so now I would have to be applying this onto my face. So the lazy man style that I used to do most of the time, I just mix this and then I'll just apply it onto my face, and then I'll just scrub it all out, just like this. That is my own lazy man style, okay? Because if I don't scrub it, the dark spot is just not going to go away. Yeah, so I just scrub it like this and try to get rid of all of the dark spots. Okay, at some point I use my tomato and I use my potato and scrub it. Just like that. So after scrubbing, I would have to also exchange it. Oops, fell down. And that is it. You can see how my face is, yeah. It's actually really helpful for me, and it's been helping me a whole lot. So after that, then I'll have to go wash it all out, and I would be back to show you how my face is. The thing is that it will fade up your dark spot little by little, and before you know it, all of the dark spots are gone. So I'll be back. You're gonna wait for like 3 5 minutes or 6 minutes thereabouts, depending on how long you can wait. Anyways, if you can even wait for 1 hour, it is still good, but don't exceed 1 hour, okay? And after that, you go wash it out and I'll be back. Okay, so look at my face. So that's it, guys. It is really amazing and I'm loving it. I hope you saw that and try it out. Let me know how it is, and you are gonna be loving it. Know ye that dark spots actually fade off little by little. It doesn't just disappear, okay? There is nothing like that. Despite that you're going to be using this ingredient, there is nothing like disappearing. It fade up little by little, and before you know it, all of your dark spots, it is gone. Yeah, so if you do enjoy watching this video, please subscribe, also thumbs up, and also share, and I'll see you soon. Kisses.